How to add promo code on Walmart app. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily add promo code on your Walmart app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Walmart app. Now once you're in your Walmart app, first add the products that you want to buy to your cart. So let me add a product for example just to show you. And then after you have added a product to your cart, go to your cart. Then here you can tap on continue to checkout, and here in the checkout scroll down. Here you will see have a promo code. Tap on it, enter here the promo code, then tap on apply, and then you can tap on place order and continue with your order. So this is how you can add promo code on the Walmart app. Thanks for watching.